Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Strategy, the Bitcoin treasury firm led by Michael Saylor, has purchased 8,178 Bitcoin worth $35.6 million between November 10 and 16. So the firm paid an average price of $102,171 per Bitcoin, bringing its total holdings to 649,870 BTC. The company funded the purchase through preferred stock offerings across STRF, STRC, STRK and STRE, with the euro-denominated STRE raising around $715 million. The buy followed online rumors claiming Strategy had sold large amounts of Bitcoin, but analysts confirmed the wallet movements were routine transfers, not selling. BitMine Immersion Technologies bought over 54,000 ETH last week, worth around $173 million. The firm now holds nearly 3.6 million ETH, close to 3% of the circulating supply, along with a cash reserve of $607 million. So BMNR shares slipped 2.6% on Monday. Well, Chairman Thomas Lee said the current crypto weakness stems from a sharp liquidity drop, possibly because a market maker reduced activity after the October 10 crash. Well, he added that BitMine does not believe the market has reached its cycle peak, highlighting tokenization as a major long-term driver. OrangeBTC has added 5 more Bitcoin to its treasury, worth about $474,000 at an average purchase price of $94,798. The firm now holds 3,713 Bitcoin, acquired for $391.41 million with a 2.01% yield this year, keeping its position as Latin America's largest corporate Bitcoin holder. The purchase comes as more regional firms shift from defensive strategies to adopting Bitcoin as a core balance sheet asset. At the recent OrangeBTC summit, leaders highlighted how Latin America's inflation-scarred history makes Bitcoin appealing as a decentralized monetary standard. Cboe Global Markets will launch Bitcoin and Ether continuous futures on December 15, becoming the first US exchange to offer contracts designed to work like perpetual futures. Well, these products will list on the Cboe Futures Exchange with 10-year expirations and daily funding adjustments to track spot prices. Unlike offshore perpetuals, the contracts meet US regulatory standards and clear through Cboe Clear US. The new futures aim to give traders long-term exposure without rolling contracts, appealing to funds and some sophisticated retail users. VanEck has introduced the VanEck Solana ETF VSOL, giving investors direct exposure to SOL along with staking rewards. The firm will charge no sponsor fee until the fund reaches $1 billion in assets or until February 17, 2026. So after this threshold, a 0.30% fee will apply, and SOL Strategies will act as the staking provider, operating certified validators that currently manage over $610 million CAD in staked assets. And VanEck continues expanding its crypto ETF lineup, adding VSOL to its existing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and digital asset products. The Singapore exchange will launch Bitcoin and Ethereum perpetual futures on November 24. Offering non-expiring cash-settled crypto derivatives to accredited and institutional investors. The move comes as global crypto derivatives now account for more than two-thirds of trading volume, with Asia driving much of the demand. Now, SGX aims to provide a regulated as well as an alternative to offshore platforms while leveraging its strong credit rating and trusted role in traditional finance. So the initiative follows SGX's earlier plans from early 2025 pending MAS approval. Grayscale is nearing the launch of its Dogecoin ETF, with Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas suggesting a possible debut on November 24. The firm began the process by filing an S1 for its Dogecoin trust in August 2025, followed by a 19B4 filing with NYSE Arca in January. The ETF will trade under the ticker GDOG once the SEC grants approval, and this approach differs from Brex Osprey's DOGE ETF, which went live earlier under a faster regulatory pathway through the Investment Company Act of 1940. Charles Hoskinson has confirmed that the Night token, native to the Midnight Network, will launch on December 8, 2025. While speaking at the Midnight Summit, he revealed that the project's roadmap and emphasized the importance of privacy-focused smart contracts for individuals and institutions. So, Midnight aims to deliver confidential computing, secure data sharing, and compliance-friendly privacy tools. While analysts say the launch could boost ADA's price momentum, positioning Midnight as a major competitor to networks like Zcash and other privacy-driven platforms. XRP could see major institutional inflows as 4 spot ETFs are expected to launch this week, with 3 more possibly debuting the following week. Franklin Templeton plans to list its product today under ticker EZRP, while Bitwise will launch between November 19 and 20. And 21 shares and CoinShares are also undergoing SEC review. So this follows strong momentum from earlier launches, including the Rexos Pre-XRPR fund, which debuted in September with $38 million in first-day volume. El Salvador has added 1,098 Bitcoin worth about $100 million to its reserves, bringing its total holdings to 7,474 Bitcoin. While President Nayib Bukele celebrated the purchase on X, reinforcing the country's long-term accumulation strategy despite market weakness. The government continues buying 1 Bitcoin per day to reduce its average cost over time. Officials say the goal is to promote financial independence and reduce reliance on the US dollar, even though adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender remains low among citizens. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.com or scan the QR code.